herbicides, insecticides, fungicides, rodenticides, and antimicrobial agents aren't the only reasons why it's important to thoroughly clean your produce. Could coronavirus be lurking on the surface of your apples? Just think how many hands pick through them to find the perfect specimen. Likewise for tomatoes and pretty much everything else. There are over 900 chemicals used on conventional fruits and veggies. Organic produce is sprayed with pesticides too. Can vinegar remove pesticides from vegetables? Making a vinegar vegetable wash is a popular home remedy. The simple recipe for how to make it typically calls for apple cider vinegar that is diluted to a 10% concentration in a basin of water. Tomatoes, lettuce, onions, apples, berries, or whatever else can be soaked in the solution for 5 minutes 10 minutes before undergoing a final rinse. The theory is that this removes pesticides and kills the germs on their skin. The problem with this remedy is that it hasn't been scientifically validated. No one knows if soaking vegetables in vinegar to remove pesticides works, or if it kills E. coli and other bacteria by disinfecting them. It's unlikely to kill viruses like COVID-19 and influenza. Almost any water-based soak, spray, or rinse likely removes at least some surface contaminants, but how effective vinegar remains speculative. Those who claim it works are basing it merely on an unfounded opinion. What can I use to clean fruit and veggies? There are EPA-approved commercial bleach solutions that are commonly used by food manufacturers for killing germs and removing pesticides from produce. The problem with these is that bleach is mutagenic. That means it mutates DNA, which causes cell permanent damage. This contributes to the aging process, and while the vast majority of DNA mutations have an unknown effect, all cancers ultimately arise from a DNA mutation that causes road growth. Furthermore, these bleach-based washes may not even work that well. In a 2017 issue of the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, scientists at the University of Massachusetts tested 3 different fruit washes on fresh gala apples. Tap water, 1% baking soda solution in tap water, EPA-approved commercial bleach solution. Prior to washing the apples, they applied 2 common pesticides, thiabendazole, which is a fungicide, phosmet, which is an insecticide. Surprisingly, 1% baking soda in water works better than bleach at washing the pesticides off the fruit. After soaking for 15 minutes, 80% of thiabendazole came off and 96% of the phosmet. Fruit and veggie wash made with bleach, as well as rinsing with tap water for 2 minutes, are far less effective methods. Veggie Wash. Okay. So the brand name isn't the most creative, but the simplicity of it is representative of what you're getting. A natural fruit and veggie wash made with ingredients that aren't too complicated. We have checked with Beaumont Products, which is the manufacturer, and they have confirmed that the glycerin is vegetable-derived. While not all organic, the orange peel essential oil is. That, along with the essential oils of lemon and rosemary, has powerful antimicrobial activity. In the lab, rosemary oil has been excellent at killing tested viruses, even at very low percentages. How effective is a veggie wash? The label says it has been lab-tested and proven to remove wax, soil, and agricultural chemicals significantly better than rinsing with water alone. As to how much better, or what percentage better, that's not clear, though at least this Kennesaw, Georgia-based company reports it's laboratory proven, something that not all of the veggie rinse brands claim. It's also made in the USA, not China like some others. Trader Joe's Vegetable Wash. Reviews of Trader Joe's fruit and vegetable wash are generally favored by customers. However, there are no scientific reviews or data published by the company as to how well it works at removing pesticides and killing bacteria or viruses. As with many of TJ's foods and products, odds are they don't even manufacture it themselves. Rather, they probably are slapping their label on someone else's product. The label does say it's formulated to remove waxes, pesticides, and chemicals and that it's a non-toxic formula. They don't say anything about it killing viruses or bacteria. It's safe to eat food washed with it, and that's about all we know. Of course, we know that none of these brands have been tested against the COVID-19 coronavirus, but still, ingredients that have at least demonstrated some potent antiviral activity would be nice to see. Fit Vegetable Wash. Along with the Veggie Wash brand, Fit Organic seems to be the most widely sold produce spray on the market. It may not be the cheapest, though it is the best choice according to many metrics. It's USDA certified organic. As stated at the start, we may have busted the mythical perception of what many people think that seal actually means, though it's still a lot better than ambiguous natural ingredients. That's an unregulated term. They also assure us it's vegan, to the best of our knowledge. Veggie Wash and Trader Joe's use plant-derived ingredients too, but only Fit Produce Wash is clearly labeled as being vegan. Plus it's certified kosher, gluten-free, and contains no phosphates.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.